Hey guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are at Dollar General and we are about to get into a paper deal that you can do this week. But before we get into a paper deal, I just wanted to tell you really quickly about a new digital coupon that we have on some laundry care. So we have a new $2 digital coupon on the Purex products. It will work on these Purex crystals right here for $2 and make them only $1 because they are only $3 regular price. Or you can come down here if you prefer laundry detergent, and you can also get the Purex packs. These are 15 count packs and they're only $1 after that $2 digital coupon. We also got 150 off digital coupons on the all products. These are $4 and $5 regular price. So these are going to be a little bit outside of my price range, but not a bad deal if all is your brand of choice. These right here will be $2.50 after coupon, and then those will be $3.50. So let's get started with our paper deal. So what made me come in here is I was texting with my good girlfriend Tea Time, and she was telling me that she had checked a lot of her accounts looking for some Snuggle digital coupons, and she ended up finding some 3 off of 15 coupons. And so that prompted me to check my accounts to see if I had any 3 off of 15 coupons, and I actually did. So I was like, oh yes, this looks like some paper to me. So I'm going to be using a 3 off of 15 store coupon today. These are randomly issued out every single month by Dollar General to various accounts. So you may have one, you may not have one. You don't have to use one for this deal. If you don't have one, your deal will only be $3 more than mine, which is still going to be a good price, I promise. So we're going to be doing the deal that we do all the time, which is our save $3 instantly when you spend $15 on Scott, Viva, Cottonelle, and Kleenex brand items. And so we're going to be focusing in on Scott today. Before I forget, make sure that you also scan your receipt for this deal into Fetch Rewards, because there's a lot of good points back, or 5 times the points that I have on my account for these Scott products. I'm going to start off in my deal by grabbing one of the 6-pack of Scott paper towels. So I don't have any coupons for this, digital or paper. These are $5.50 regular price. The next item I'm going to grab is 2 of these $5 packs of Scott toilet paper. I have 75% off printable coupons for these. If your store does not take printable coupons, you can omit these. But if your store does, definitely print them out from the Scott website, because we're going to save an additional $1.50 with these 2 75% off coupons. These are $5 a piece. I've also grabbed 3 of these Pantene conditioners. These are the travel size, so they are $1.50. We're going to be using the $5 off of 3 digital coupon. Now, the $5 off of 3 digital coupon only works on the conditioner. It will not attach to the shampoo, so make sure that you pick up the travel size conditioner from the travel section. I'm also grabbing in 2 of these little baby Welches. Those are 34 cents a piece. I'm going to be using the $1 off of 2 digital coupon. So this is our complete deal today, and the total for all of these items before any instant savings or coupons is $20.68. So we are going to save a total of $3 instantly for spending over $15 worth of Scott products. We have $15.50 worth of Scott products. So we're going to save $3 instantly. That's going to bring us down to $17.68. Then I'm going to be using a 3 off of 15 store digital coupon. That's going to take off another $3. And then I'm going to be using the 5 off of 3 for the Pantene and the $1 off for the Welches. Then we have 2 75% off coupons for the Scott toilet paper. After all of these savings are deducted, our total should be just $7.18 for all of these items. If you can't find the Pantene or the Welch's at your store, you do not have to add those into your transaction. However, you want to make sure if you are using a 3 off of 15 coupon that you add something into your transaction, because after the instant savings for the Scott, your total is only going to be $12.50. So it doesn't qualify to get that 3 off of 15 without something added. So the Pantene and the Welch's serve a dual purpose here. The Pantene is giving us 50 cents in overage, and the Welch's is giving us about 30 cents in overage, and they're also bulking our total up so that we meet the qualifications for that 3 off of 15. So if you're not using a 3 off of 15, don't worry about getting your total over, but if you are, make sure that you have enough in your transaction. And these 75-cent off coupons for the Scott come from the Scott website. I just printed these off yesterday, I believe. Scott issues out coupons to individual accounts of different amounts. So some people will get 50-cent value and some people will get 75 cents. Anytime I log on and I see that I have a 75-cent waiting for me, I print these, and that is where I get these coupons. So everybody's account should have the coupons issued if you log in and create an account on the Scott website, and you may have a 75-cent, you may have a 50 cents, but any savings on toilet paper to me is good savings. So let's take these up to the register and see if everything works out like we planned. All right, you guys, so that worked out perfectly. There is our Scott paper towels. There is our 2 packs of toilet paper. There is the Pantene travel size. You see that $5 digital coupon, and then there is our Welch's with the $1 digital. Subtotal came up to $7.18. We had a total savings of $13.50 on this transaction. And then, of course, we want to scan back to Fetch Rewards to see how many points we get. But I think that is pretty good. $7 for 3 packs of paper, including some paper towels, is the bomb. So if you have a 3 off of 15, or even if you don't and you need these items, definitely go out and get them. I hope this deal was helpful to you all. If it was, please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my couponing family if you have not already joined. I would love to have you. So I will talk to you all soon. Bye, you guys.